Howdy. We are watching at the 7 days of quake activity in Europe. And there's quite something going on. Many interesting spots of activity like La Palma. This spot, which is going on for many weeks now. And there is something over here I noticed as well, near Vienna. I made a video about this region when there has been probably this quake and this quake. They were exactly equally spaced. And I noticed a few hours later that they emerged more quakes. And these are deeper ones, 14 kilometers, since they are marked in orange. 14 kilometers. 14 kilometers. This we already had. This we already had. So I have probably noticed that these are all 3 days old. 3 days. 3 days. 3 days. And the most interesting thing is Baumgarten an der March. Gas Connect Austria Baumgarten. I talked about that. I won't now dive into this. And I have been also talking about these meandering patterns of the rivers, and you can see all elderly meandering patterns all over the place. 3 days. There has been still one. No, actually there are many. Check it out. This is from the old riverbed. This white stuff here. 3 days. There is also a very interesting feature here in the middle. But I wasn't supposed to talk about this. I just noticed that there has been many quakes in this region, and especially that gas station is very important for the whole country of Italy. The one quake I just noticed, as it has been loaded 2 days ago, this went. I didn't notice that 2.2, 50 kilometers in depth. Other sources say it was 4 kilometers in depth. I have been talking about this region as well, and there's like many quakes all over the place. 4 days ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. And there are a few hot spots. Here's one and here's another one. Because if you click on this, I clicked now once, 1.2 2 days ago. 0.9 3 days ago. 0.5 2 days ago. So we had 3 quakes at this location. First click 0.9 15 hours ago. 0.7 14 hours ago. 0.7 14 hours ago. 1.2 2 days ago. 1.2 3 days ago. 0.9 5 days ago. 0.8 3 days ago. 0.8 4 days ago. 0.8 5 days ago. I don't know how many quakes there were, 6 or something, at the exact same location. For whatever reason. I have just noticed a dome of Rochefort. Maybe I have to check this out quickly. So here we are, Google Earth. Let's check out some pictures. Well, actually, we maybe could make a quick reading. The Dome of de Rochefort is a mountain in the Mont Blanc massif in Haute-Savoie, France, and of Aosta Valley, Italy. Elevation 4,015 meters. 190 is the prominence. So now let's have a quick look at some pictures. This is very interesting. And also this one. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, I just point things out which I find interesting. I won't dive now into those. It's rather steep. Yeah, these were the pictures. Dôme de Rochefort. Yeah. That's a rather steep environment. And there's like glaciers all over the place. And there is a wide river flowing in the valley. Let's see if we capture some. Here's a picture. Yeah, this is not too white. Do we have other pictures? Into which direction is this flowing? Maybe in this direction. Yeah, that's rather steep there, obviously. Fiume and ora Baltea. Like the whole picture seems to be rather dark. So I think I leave it here. I just wanted to point out, I have been talking now again about mountain water, wide rivers and stuff like that. And I have been talking about this quite a lot. And I spent some time today to sort some videos. And all those which have something to do with mountain water, wide rivers, cryptodome, cryptogeysers, or quakes, or whatsoever, castles, churches, all these kind of things. I gathered them here, and it turned out there are like 231 videos already I made about this topic. And if you would, I don't know, there are shorter ones and longer ones, but if you would take 10 minutes as an approximate length of the video, there would be somewhat 400 hours or something. And also volcanic plasma phenomena. There might be more videos about these topics, but these were just the ones I stumbled across. Mountain water is very interesting. Also are plasma phenomena around volcanoes. And I was also maybe trying to make a list from those mountain water videos about the reference lists, like articles and these kind of things. How many of those would gather just taking those from my videos, which have been attached or to which I referred to in the video. There would be quite many, I guess. With this being said, like I said it already once or a few times, like I don't try to entertain anyone. A big part of making these videos is somehow like gathering information and to share the information, learning by doing, and yeah, it's also kind of library. So I have been talking about this quite a lot. Well, anyway, there is some activity going on in the Alps, very interesting. We might have to keep an eye on this region. I was thinking about searching for geothermal activity maps or things like that, but I didn't. High peak adventures and mining operations. Big mining operations. Beton. So we are talking about alkaline environment, wide rivers and such. Yes, limestone and all these kind of things. pH. Yeah, interesting. Thanks. Bye.